You done?
Yeah.
So what do you say to the camera?
Hello, this is Caleb and I am here with Sweet Willy's kitchen.
How you doing, guys? How's everybody? What do we got there?
Yummy Nummies
Yummy Nummies
Donuts.
Donuts. So we're gonna make Yummy Nummy Donuts? Well, it's a good thing we did it here because we do have a microwave up there.
Yeah.
So from what I remember of these, it only takes a couple seconds in the microwave. We're gonna make ourselves some Yummy Nummies. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, what do you think? We should open them up. Well, which one do we have there? Can you read that out?
We have Taste of Donuts.
Donut Delights Maker. So we're going to be making donuts here
Let's
on
open.
Caleb's Toy Box.
Let's open.
Alright, let's do that.
Yeah, right.
Alright, so what do we have here?
Whoa!
Looks like we got ourselves a lot of stuff. So, let's see here. We've got the icings, the sprinkles,
yeah.
and then this looks like the batter. Okay, so we've got the batter, the icing, and the sprinkles. I would imagine the sprinkles go on top, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think? Oh, look at this. This is the icing bag.
Yeah.
So we put our icing in here and squeeze that out.
Yeah.
Right? And I don't know what this is all about. I think that's for the sprinkles.
No,
All right?
no, it's not.
So should we read this out?
Yeah.
So all right. So here we go. They said they want us to cut this. I need some scissors. Does anybody have any scissors? Scissors?
Right.
Or a knife. Well, I could use a knife. I had a knife back there. We can do that, right? Because we're going to mix here, mix here.
Well, that's a big knife.
Yeah, we'll do that. I'll get that.
I can use knives.
Butter knives.
Butter knives. Butter knives and steak knives are two different kinds. So if we had some scissors, we would cut this down the side. I'd let your parents do this first, right?
Yeah.
Because that would be safe. Alright.
You only have to get a grown-up to keep you safe if you're using a knife.
That's right. So here's the molds. So here's the molds for the
Donuts.
That's right. Okay. So let's read this here. I gotta use my glasses. Okay. So what we're gonna do is open up the vanilla batter.
Vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll find the vanilla.
Alright.
Vanilla.
The vanilla.
That's
Okay.
banana.
Vanilla. Vanilla. Okay, now this says takes 12 scoops. You had to count to 12?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll do that.
Okay. So take 12 scoops
Okay.
and put it in here.
Okay.
Alright, so we're just gonna
1, 2. It actually smells good.
Yeah.
3.
what does it smell like? What flavor does it smell like?
Donuts.
The donut's got a flavor. Is it vanilla?
4.
Yeah.
5. 6.
And 12. Alright. Cool. Alright, so that's our mix. So we did 12 scoops of the mix. Alright.
Ah.
And we need 5 scoops of water.
Yeah.
No, take 5 scoops of that in there.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright.
Now mix it.
I think you mix it with the green spoon.
Yeah.
This is for measuring. Alright, let's mix that up to it's a nice.
Careful.
It's stuck.
Keep
Well,
going.
yeah, it'll just
Okay.
keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
In there. Getting there.
What do you do?
Sure it's mixed up nicely. You want me to finish it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see if we can.
I'm stuck. Ew.
How's it taste?
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. All right. Yeah. So that looks good. Now it's nice and smooth. Okay. So, yeah, nice and smooth. All right, so we mixed it nice and smoothly. And Caleb did that. So this is the molds. We're going to put that in. So once you scoop some of this stuff like that, like so, and then press it down like that. All right, I showed you how to make one. All right, and make sure the top is open so it makes a donut hole. Nice and smooth. Is that good? Does that look good?
No. Now it does.
Now it does. How's it taste? Nice and smooth, right?
I just said good.
Yeah, nice and smooth, right? All right, so we're gonna do that. That's what it looks like. So Caleb's gonna finish those two for us. Do the other two, and then we're gonna put it in the microwave for him. Get a good glob of it. Get a good scoop of it. Get a good scoop of it. Get more. Yeah, get a big glob of it. That's it. Put it in there and spread it out, just like I did with the other one. All right, good. That looks good. All right, get the other one. Get the rest of it and do the other one.
That's a good one.
That's it.
This guy.
This guy over here, that's right.
This donut over here.
Just all right, why don't you take some more of that and put it in there. In that second one. That looks good.
Our YouTubers right here.
Yeah, YouTubers are here. We got YouTubers in back of the camera there that are yammering away there while we're trying to make magic here.
We are not.
All right. So, all right. Well, that looks good. This one looks nice and smooth. Here we go. So we're all filled up.
Donuts.
So we're gonna put them in the microwave for 15 seconds. All right.
Yeah.
So do this here.
Well, you do that work on that, can
All right. So cook time.
Cookie time.
I'm gonna go 15 seconds.
10 seconds. That's not too bad. Hey guys. Hi guys. We're doing Yummy
I
Nummies.
could smell it in the hallway. It was so good. I almost broke the door down to come and eat it all.
See? You're a great cook.
Yummy Nummy Donuts.
All right. And that's what we say at the Mommy and Gracie show, and it's out of the microwave. So they puffed up pretty good, right? We gotta let these cool off. All right. So while they're cooling, let's make the icing.
Yeah.
All right. So the icing. So let's do 3 scoops of icing. So give me 6 scoops.
6 scoops.
6 good full scoops. All right.
Whoa.
That's okay.
Smells good to you, Willy. It does smell good.
Now
2.
full scoop. That was a half scoop. Full scoop. Yeah. All right. Now, give me 4 scoops of water.
Okay. 1. Oh, it's turning.
Yeah, it's turning a different color.
2. 4.
All right.
Now mix it.
Mix it with the spoon.
Yeah. It's turning. This looks yummy. Looks cool.
Keep on mixing. That looks like it's pretty good.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, let's see. Good. That's a good icing. All right. So what we'll do is we'll put it in the icing bag. Want me to scoop it in?
Yeah.
You open it up. That's good.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Squeeze it, push it all the way down to the end. Now I think our donuts are cooled off. I need a little plate. Got a little plate. And we'll just pop these out. Let's do some doing. Here's your hands there. Alright, so they came out. There's our donuts. The donuts look pretty good. What do you think? Feel free to comment below. Is that how we say that on YouTube land? Comment below.
Not me.
Oh, no? Not you? Alright. Alright. Let's see here. So these are at the end. Well, we put a lot of icing on it, didn't we? Alright. So let's. Yeah, I know. I'm going to cut the end off here. Yeah, I got to cut the end off. If I had scissors. You don't have any scissors here in the remote location here. It's where it's the place where you normally don't go. All right, now you squeeze that and top the. Squeeze it on top. Looking good. Oh, nah, you're a donut maker there. You're the time to make the donuts, guys. All right, this guy over here with the donuts. All right.
This guy over here with the donuts. One. Those look like from regular route. One. Ooh.
You gotta taste it, right? You gotta taste it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do this one here. All right, what do you think?
I haven't seen her face for a while.
Oh, well, don't worry about it. It's the same face.
Now let me taste it.
You want to taste it? All right, you taste it. Tell me how good it is. How's that taste? Good? All right. Now that we have the icing, show the icing. Show with the icing. All right. Now let's put the sprinkles on, right?
This icing on the
This icing over here. That's right. What we'll do is we got to take the sprinkles and we put them on here. And this is what we do.
Yeah.
Now, you take the donut, right? This is what they do in the donut shops. You take the donut with the icing, and then they put just like that. Can you do that?
Only one of those.
All right. Can you take the donut? All right. On the other side, flip it over. Good. There you go.
Yummy.
All right. Do the other one now. All right. Do the other one. All right, we are set. After we've made them, what should we do?
Eat them.
You eat them. All right, you go first.
Doesn't even have flavor.
Yeah, doesn't have much flavor? Well, we'll give it a shot. Yeah, it tastes like a donut. Right? Tastes like a donut. And you could have the last one. Eat the last one.
Need a drink?
Edit that.
I'm gonna rinse that out with some water that was.
Yeah. And for watching please subscribe, button, comment, thumbs up.
Thumbs up.